Hello everyone, very good morning to all. So in this lecture, we will be discussing about the dictionaries data structure in Python. So what is mean by dictionary and how to represent the dictionary, and we will see the examples with this concept. So what is dictionary? Now we will see. In Python, dictionary is mapping between a set of indexes and set of values. It means dictionaries means already you might have seen dictionaries in general terms. It means in the if you buy any dictionary book in any item, in any stores, you will see some meanings are the given word. Means from the left side there are some keys. It means which you are searching for that it will be present on the left side. So for the right side you will see the meaning of the given key. So that is data structure. It means they are presenting in the value of key value pairs. It means if you are mapping a set of indices between keys and values, it is called dictionary. So what is dictionary means? Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. So what is this dictionary means? This dictionary will store data values. So whatever the data values that are present in this data, it will store in key value pairs. Next, a dictionary is a collect. The items in a dictionary are key value pairs. So whatever the items that are present in the dictionary, those are key value pairs. So those items are acting as a key value pairs in the dictionary. That is so. Next one. Keys. Keys can be any Python data type. It means coming to the keys, you can mention any data type, whether it is an integer, float, or any string data type. So you can use any data type in the keys. Because why you can be able to mention any data type? Because keys are used for indexing. They should be immutable. So because of the indexing concept, you can able to mention any data type. It means you can able to mention floating data type or integer data type or string data type in the key place, and also they should be immutable. And also what is immutable means you cannot change that value. You cannot able to replace any key values in the dictionaries. It means coming to dictionaries, only a key values are immutable, not the values in the dictionary. So key values should not be immutable. They should be immutable. That is what. So values can be any Python data type. So not only keys, but also for the values in the dictionaries also can be any data type. Coming to integers or strings or float, you can able to mention whatever the data type that you like. And also values can be mutable or mutable. That means what are the values that are present in the dictionaries for keys, you can able to change or you can able to unchange also. It means they can be mutable or they can be unmutable. So remember these 2 points. Keys in the dictionary always should be mutable, but values in the dictionary can be mutable or immutable. It means whatever the values that are mapping for the key values, they can be mutable or immutable. That doesn't matter. It's that you can able to choose your choice. That is. And also dictionary is a collection which is order changeable and do not allow duplicates. It means like uh, like list and tuples. Dictionary is ordered. So what order? So whatever the order that you mentioned in the dictionary, while printing also same order will be printed. It will not change any order. That is the ordered property. Next one is changeable. It means you can able to change the values, not the keys. You can able to change the values inside the dictionary. Next one, duplicates. It means it will not allow any duplicates. Dictionary will not allow duplicates. While coming to lists and tuples, it will allow duplicates. But coming to dictionaries, it will not allow any duplicates. It means whatever the keys that are present in the dictionary, they should be unique. It means keys should be unique. But coming to values, you can able to give any same values to the different keys. It means the keys should be different, but values can be same. So so that it should not be allow any duplicates. Next, creating a dictionary. So how to create a dictionary? Like list constructor for the dictionary also there is a constructor called dictionary constructor. By using this dict or the square brackets, we are creating an empty dictionary. After creating an empty dictionary, if you want to insert key value pairs into the dictionary, you have to do like this. So variable of. So this is the key that I want to create in the dictionary. That's why I mentioned one in the double quote, sorry, single quote equal to So for the whenever you print this, for this key value, we are assigning the value. So whenever you print this variable, we will get the output. We will see the output in the dictionary one as the key value. So I will say with an example. Don't worry. Next, I am creating new key value pairs like this. 2 equal to dose. For the value of for the key of 2, we are creating dose value. So like this, we will getting we are getting key value pairs in the dictionary by doing like this. See, after printing that, we will getting one for the one key we are printing zero value. For the two key we are having the value dose. For the three key we are having the value trees. Like that we will be having. So in general, the order of items in the dictionary is unpredictable. It means whatever the orders in the dictionary that are there, we cannot predict in what order it is there. So we cannot able to predict the order of items. Dictionaries are indexed by keys, not integers. It means how you can able to index this dictionaries means by using the keys only we are able to index this dictionary, but not an integers. Like list and tuples. It means coming to list and tuples, we are indexing those data structures by integers. But coming to dictionaries, we are creating these indexes by keys, not integers. That is what. So let us see some example so that you will get an idea. So let me please wait. Now going to the collab section. Now I'll say x equal to dict. So after that, I am printing x of 1. X of 1 equal to CSC. X of 2 equal to DA. X of 3 equal to ECE. Now I am printing this value of x. So now let us see what will be printed. See. Now check the output by printing the value of x. So now I am doing this. Now see the output. Please wait, it is running. So see, so whenever you do like this, for the key of 1, it is printing CSC. For key of 2, it is printing DA. For key of 3, it is printing EC. Like that, we can able to create the dictionary and we can add the elements into the dictionary like that. And also, I I also will be seeing another example. Suppose I am taking y equal to, we can also create like this. That is empty dictionary creation. But here, what I am doing is, by default, I am mentioning key and value pairs. Now we'll see what will happen. So, mm, suppose brand. For the key of brand, I am mentioning Ford. It means by I am taking the features of cars. Next one, model. It means model of the car. Model. What I am taking means Mustang. It means Mustang model. Next one. Year. In which year it was introduced? Means 1964. Now I am printing the value of y. See. Now see the output. See. Here it is printing in the form of key value pairs. It means data structure is the um, data structure is used to so store the key value pairs in, in the dictionary. That is what dictionary is saying. So this is please wait. So next one, accessing values. So how you will access inside the values? Suppose in the my dictionary I am having the name and alias. So if I want to access the value, you need to go with the key. With the help of the key, you can able to access the value. Without that, you can't access the value directly. So here see, print my dictionary of name. So whenever you mention the specified key name, so for that specified key name, whatever the value that is map, it will print that value. So for the name, the alias is map. So in the output, you can able to see alias. So that is so we'll see some. We'll see with an example. So here I want to access the uh, brand value. So here I am print y of brand. So see for the brand value, code is the associated value. That's why it is printed odd. So remember here, you need to mention square brackets only. So here already I have said in lists and tuples we use integer values, but coming to the dictionary, will not use any integer value. We'll use the string data type in order to access. So like that we can able to access. Suppose if I want to access the value that is associated with the model, now I will see what I will do means print y of. So which one I want to print? I want to print the model value. So you have to write the model in this square bracket. Now see the output. Mustang is the output for the specified one. So like that you can able to access these key value pairs. So next one, dictionary indexing. So this is like this you can able to create. So print English 2 was 3, English 2 square of 5. So see, if the index is not a key in the dictionary, the Python raises an exception. It means how the key value should be an indexing value. But coming to in lists and tuples, the key value is integer. But coming to the dictionary, sorry, in coming to lists and tuples, integer is the indexed value, but coming to dictionary, key is the indexing one. So whatever the key values that are there in the dictionary, those are the indexing values. By mentioning those index values, you can able to get the respected values associated to the other value associated to the key values. It means if there is no if the index is not a key in the dictionary. So suppose the index value is not a key in the dictionary. What do it will do means it will raise an exception. It is an exception error. Why? Because indexing value should be a key in the dictionary. If you do not have that, it will raise an exception error. Next one, dictionary indexing. So the in operator. So what is this in operator in dictionary will do? In operator works differently for dictionaries. than for other sequences. So while compared to other sequences, it will work differently for dictionaries. Why? Because means we will see for offset indexed sequences, X in Y checks to see whether X is an item in the C. So for coming to strings list and tuples, it will check whether the X is present in the Y like that. So, but coming to the dictionaries, how what it will do means X in Y checks to see whether X is a key in the dictionary. So coming to lists and tuples, X will check whether it is present in whether X is whether the item of the X is in the sequence or not. But coming to dictionaries, whether this X is a key, so whatever the X value that is there, whether it is a key value or not, like that it will check. If it is a key value, it will print the respected value associated to the key. If it is not, if it is not a key value, it will raise an error. So that is what it is. Now key and values. The keys method returns a list of the keys in a dictionary. So what is this key method will do? It will return all the keys, whatever the keys that are present in the dictionary, it will print. Suppose if you want to print only all the key values in the dictionary, we need to use keys method. Otherwise, if you want to return all the values that are present in the dictionary, you use the values method. Whenever you use that, you will get the respected output. Now see, I will show with an example. So now I want to print. Now I want to print only this key value, only this keys in this dictionary. Now see, print y dot keys. By using this method, you can able to print the keys. See, in the output, it is showing dictionary keys. It means these are the dictionary keys that it is saying. So output will be in the form of this see brand, model, year. These are the respected keys in the dictionary. Suppose if I want to print the values, all the values in the dictionary, so print use y dot values method. So now you can able to see the values. See dictionary values. Ford Mustang 1964. Like that you can able to print the uh, all the keys and values in the dictionary. So likewise, we can able to print. Next one, the items method returns a list of tuple pairs of the key value pairs in a dictionary. So by use, what do this item method will do means it will print the expected key values in the dictionary. So without using these items also you can able to print the key values, but also by using this items method also it will print key value pairs. How means I will show with an example. Now see this for x print x star items. Now see the output of this. See 1 CSE, 2 DA, 3 CEC. So sorry, wait. For x dot items I have to mention this. Now we will see. Say dictionary items 1 CSE, 2 D, 3 EC. But coming to this dictionary items, it will print as a tuple, a key value pairs in the form of tuples. Right. So this items method will print the key value pairs in the form of tuples in the dictionary. But in generalized form, it will print in the key value pairs in the list format. So that is the difference between the general method and dot items method. So this is what we are seeing. So next method, next slide. So example histogram pi. You can able to go through this code and you can do it on it your own. Go through this. And also I have said um, duplicates not allowed. So it means we cannot use that duplicate key values. How means I will show. Wait here. No, I am saying taking the same code here. I am see. It means no duplicates of keys in dictionary. Now see. Now I am saying x of 4 equal to sorry x of 3 x of 3 equal to civil. Now print the value of x. See, definitely it will raise an error. 1 CC 2 DA 3 wait here. Now see. Um, okay, while creating it will not, but we'll see. Wait, this is not an actual example. So see, year 1988. Now print the value of y. See, and now see. So see here, it will not allow duplicates. Why means even despite you are mentioning two years in this same key values, but will print only updated year. So the updated year value is 1988. So it will print this one only. It will not print this because it will not allow duplicates. So that's why it will not allow duplicate. So next one, dictionary length. What does this length method will do means it will determine how many items does the dictionary have. It means how many it will return number of items in the dictionary. Suppose um, I am using same concept here, same example here. Now I am printing length of y. It means if you want to print the length, how many number of items that are present inside the dictionary, you can print this. See, there are three items. So brand, model, and year. So duplicate will not be printed. It will consider only one year only. That's right. So the length method is used to determine the number of items in the dictionary. So next one. And also you can use any data type, not only string or integer data type, you can also use any number of data types. See here, I have you can able to print whatever the value that you want. It means you can use various data types like lists and tuples. So see here, uh, mm, age 25, salary 25. See, it will, sorry. Now we are printing this. So now see the output. It will print all the items that are present in this because it it will allow all the different data types in the dictionary. So there is no problem with the data types. So if you want to find what is the type of the history, what is the type of the variable means, you use this type function. So this type function is used to find what is the which data type that is. So if I am finding this type of byte, see it is dictionary. So like that you can also use this. So in order to find the type of data type, use type of byte. So here we are getting the output as dictionary because this data type is dictionary. That's why it is printing as mm, output. Next one, sorting the keys. So how to sort the keys? So by using see using lists as values. So how to use lists as values means go to this code and run this program and check the output. So it is easy only. So see, I will explain the code here. See, here I am creating the function. So for that, I am creating an empty dictionary for that for key in D. So it means I am creating one value for the dictionary D variable. Value is equal to D of key. It means I am sending this D of key to this value. Suppose if the value is not present in this dictionary, you have to do you have to assign that value to this dictionary. Otherwise, if it is present, um, append. Otherwise, you need to add for that key. So after that, return it. So that is one. Using lists as a values. So by using lists also you can use by using lists as a values you can also do like that. So using tuples as keys, even you can also able to use these tuples as keys. See, here I am creating dictionary. Inside the dictionary, I am creating the tuples. For that each tuple I am creating the values. Like that also we can able to create. See, inside the dictionary, I am creating tuple. For this tuple, these are the values. For this tuple, these are the values. For this tuple, these are the values. Like that, you can able to do. And after that, you can able to do. mm, you can do loop, and you can able to do this. So after that, you will get the specified output. So like that, you can able to do. So this is the concept of dictionaries, guys. Now we'll see the methods that are present in the dictionary. So the what are the methods? So get method. So what do this get method will do is it is easy to get the value for the specified key. So here in the my dictionary I am having is 25. For the value of key I am having the value 25. If I want to print the output if I want to print the value for the S that is associated, I will use this get method. So this get method will return the specified value that is associated to the key. So here I am using my did that get of yes. It will print 25. So if you so this get method is used to print the value that is associated to the key. So that is the get method will do. Next one. Keys, values, and items. So these keys values we are used to print all the keys that are present in the dictionary. Already we have seen with the example. So this the values are dot values method is used to print all the values that are present in the dictionary. Next, dot items. So what do these dot items will do? It is used to print these key values in the form of tuples, not list tuples in the list. But coming to general method, it is printed in the list format. But during this dictionary dot items method, it will print all the key value pairs in the tuple into the list. So that's the difference between the general and dict dot item methods. Next one, update method. Suppose if I want to update anything in the list, you use update. It means if you want to add anything or if you want to do any modifications, we want to create a new thing into the dictionary, you need this update method. See here, mydict equal in the mydict, I am having only this key and value pair. So if you want to add another key value pair, you use this mydict dot update of b comma 2. So after doing this, whenever you print this, you'll be adding this b of two key value pairs in the end of the dictionary. See a1 b2 like that update method will do. Next one, pop method. So what do this pop method will do is it is used to remove the specified element. It is used to remove specified index. So in coming to lists and tuples, we are used integer for the in order to remove the specified index value. But here we are using the key in order to remove that specified index. So here I want to remove the a of a, it means I want to remove key value pair of a comma 1. Here I am using this myrick dot pop of a. Here we have to use only key value pair. So after printing that value, we are getting 1. Why? Because means it will return whatever the value that is pop. So the value that is pop here is 1. So after printing the my dictionary, we are having only b and 2. So this pop method will do. This pop method is useful like this way. Next method, pop item method. So see here. So see here. What do this pop item method will do? So this pop item method will do. It will if you do not mention any value in the brackets, it will remove the key value pairs of the last one. Like list in the list we have seen, if you do not mention any index, it will pop last element in the list. Like in the same way in the dictionary also, if you do not mention any key, it will pop the key value pairs which are present at the last of the dictionary. So here my dig dot pop item. After printing this item, um, what is pop? This 5 and 20 are pop. Automatic by default only it will pop last key value pairs. So after printing my dictionary, what is remaining? This X and 10 are remaining. So this is what happening here. So clear method. What do this clear method will do? It is used to clear all the values in the dictionary. It means if you want to clear all the key values in the dictionary and if you want to see the empty output, you have to use this clear. After this clear, after you using this clear method and printing that, we will see only empty dictionary. It means whatever the key value pairs that are present in the dictionary, we have cleared all. That is what clear method will do. Next, set default. So what do this set default means? It will set this whatever the key value pairs mentioned that mentioned at the end of the dictionary, it will be set. So here I am using my dict dot set default of b comma 2. It means by default it will be setting this key value per set to the end of the dictionary. So whenever I print this, I'll be seeing this b after b comma 2 b2 in the end of the dictionary. So this is what set default method will do. Next one, from keys. So what do this from keys method will do? So so here I am having a comma key. So these are the keys for the dictionary. So for the next one, what I am doing is dictionary dot from keys of keys comma 0. So what do this dot from keys method will do is, so by default for these values, for these specific keys we will be having zeros. So those values are we are extracting from that case. So whenever you do this for the specified A, it will be printed 0 and for the B key it is printed 0 because by default it will print. So these dot from key methods will return uh, by default values that are associated to the keys. So that is what it is saying. So looping through the dictionary. How do you do this looping through the dictionary? By using two variables. So for coming to list tuples and strings, we'll use only one iterator, one iteratable variable. Coming to dictionary, we have to use two variables in order to access key value pairs. So by doing this, we can able to use key and values, respected keys and values. So now we'll see summary table. So whatever the things that we discuss. So method description. So what do this get method will do? This get method is used to access values by keys safely. If you want to access any values safely, you will use this get method. Next update. What do this update method will do? Is it will merge another dictionary. Suppose there are two dictionaries. If you want to merge one dictionary with another dictionary, this update method will do. Next, pop. Remove a key. This pop method is used to remove a specified key. Pop item. So what do this pop item will do? Means it will remove last inserted key. So whatever the key that is inserted last, it is easy to remove that last key. Key method. What do this key method will do? Means it is easy to remove all the items in the dictionary. If you want to remove all the items in the dictionary or list or tuples, you need to use this clear method. So dictionaries are powerful and versatile. Yes, dictionaries are more powerful and versatile, useful for structured data handling. If you want to handle the structured data, it is useful for that. And also it is useful for practicing with real world examples. If you want to practice with real world examples, this dictionaries method and these dictionaries are very useful. So this is the dictionary and these methods. So hope everyone understood this class and hope everyone got this concept. So this is the concept of dictionary. So with this we have completed lists, tuples, dictionaries and strings. So we'll see the sets concept in the next class. Hope everyone play with this concept. So we'll meet in the next session. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Love you all.